Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Bosch 8 series brand 9 kg washing machine. How to select direct spin cycle, because this machine not available direct spin cycle. Because of that, now I'm going to show you how to select direct spin cycle with this machine. Most probably my customers are asking how to select direct spin cycle with type of machine. Now we will go to the next step and we will see. Now you can see this machine, dear friends. This is Bosch brand, made in German. This case actually having only the 468 series Bosch brand, because direct spin cycle not available. But any other brand also, Samsung. Sometime I can find some Europe brand actually, like a Whirlpool, Candy. Also Asian brands having Samsung. It's not available direct spin cycle. We have to select manually. Now I'm going to show you how to select direct spin cycle with this machine. Now dear friends, I given already power connection. After pressing selector switch, here we can start the machine. Now I will show you how to do that. Here showing spin cycle, that one actually we can decrease and increase only from 0 to 600, whatever our requirement. Here only the options are both side having washing options, but not available spin cycle direct. Because of that, what we have to do, here you can see here rinse and spin cycle. We have to come here up to rings and spin cycle. After that, we can select spin cycle. Now you can see here water plus selector. You have to press this one here like that. After pressing, you can see RPM 1200. Also spin time 13 minutes it will show. After that, we have to press start button. After, you can see here machine will get start without taking water. It will go for the direct spin cycle. The door already got locked. Now you can see it's drum rotating. In this time, water not taken to the machine, because we selected already direct spin cycle. Now we'll increase RPM up to 1200. We already selected. You can see here. Because actually why I'm making this video, my customers are asking how to select direct spin cycle, because they don't have any idea. Because of that, actually I'm making this video. Now you can see here increasing RPM. It will increase up to 1200, because already we selected up 1200. This what kind of benefits we can get direct spin cycle after selecting. Now you show this machine the step by step wash, rings and spin cycle come. Three steps are continuously. While starting spin cycle is only the 13 minutes, but end of the cycle you can get only the 60% dry cloth from your machine only. Because of that, at that time we can select direct spin cycle. uh, After that, you can get at least 80% dry cloth from your machine. Because again, you can increase 13 minutes direct spin cycle. Because of that, this is actually good option all the washing machine having. Now I will show you again how to select direct spin cycle with this machine. Again I will shut down the machine. Also again I will on the machine. Now you know how to do that. You have to come here until rings plus spin cycle. Here after that, again you have to press water plus. It will come again 13 minutes. Also direct, it will come 1002 RPM. Again we have to press start pause button. Now door already got locked. Here machine starting. You can see here. Now again, as same before, its machine will start. It's already start increasing RPM. You can see. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.